We're here with Team Fireball. We got Derek, Brantley, Bentley, Caden, and here is Team Golden Nugget. We got Blake, Wyatt, Sawyer, and Mason. Here we go! Hey guys, we're Team Golden Nugget, and the rules of this airsoft battle is we're gonna play capture the flag. So there's 2 flags. The only way you'll be able to win is when you capture the flag and take it back to your flag. And so, if you get shot 5 times, you're out. And let's do this. Okay, guys, putting our flag right here, just like that.
Someone would go bump their head.
Well, that's their fault. They're gonna be putting their flag. They're gonna put their flag in the horse pasture. So this is gonna be fun. This is in a bird feeder, and there's the shop.
Hi.
The horse pastures. There's the house right there. The horse pastures are around on the other side of the house. This is gonna be a lot of space. It's gonna be fun. Okay. 2, 1, go! Here we go, boys. Okay. Blake and Sawyer, you guys go guard. Come on, Wyatt, let's go.
What?
You go around the house. I'll fight them off. No, you go around the house. Bentley's going around. You go around the house. Yeah. Did you just get hit? Right there they are. Make a run for it. Charge, Wyatt! Laying out in the field. Yeah, let's go get it. I can't do. I ain't shooting with a pistol now. I wasn't shooting with a pistol, I was shooting with a rifle. Let's go get it out. Champion, won the first round. Capture the flag. We won! Let's go, baby! They just ran away. They went to the side. We're gonna have to step our game up. We lost the first round. We gotta win the next. We got a separate game up. We gotta have a conversation with our guarders.
Yep, really bad.
Let's go put this thing back. Start round 2. Woo! Right there's Brantley. He's walking along. I'm gonna sneak behind him. Let's go. Brantley's just right over there. Let's go, boys. Okay, let's go. Let's go over here.
Yeah, come on, put that!
Shoot him. Try to shoot him. Hey, Blake. Oh. Shoot him right there. Oh shit, there's Kaden. Some people over there. Some people over there. We got. Hey, Blake. Blake. Let's go.
I'm out.
Okay, let's go to the garden. Okay, let's go to the garden.
Yeah, here's my mag, is one down.
Where's Bentley?
What?
Bentley's running out. Here goes Brantley. Get down. Get down. Don't let him see you. Okay, let's go. Just keep running. Keep running. Keep running. Just keep running. I think we got him. I ran out to the garden. Now, I'm gonna go into here. Here we go, boys. They're charging me. No hiding behind the horses. Don't that close. You have to don't go that way. You can shoot me now. Let's go! Okay. Let's go. These guys won.
Team Fireball.
Team Fireball.
Golden Nuggets
Against
fire.
we had almost. I think we had overconfidence.
So guys, Team Fireball won. Unfortunately, I guess you could call them the champions, but we'll just say they won. But I'm sure they want to be called champions. But anyway, calm down. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe. And